If you are a senior and you are at retirement or close to retirement, even if you're not a senior but you are at retirement, this video is for you. Let me show you what I've learned about some retirement ideas that might benefit you financially quite a lot. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is give you a case scenario, an idea of what is possible. So let's talk a little bit about the numbers. We have a value, a home value. Let's say your home is valued at 1.5 million, and you have a $175,000 mortgage. You have a mortgage payment of $1,250, and let's say you are collecting CPP and all age security. CPP for $1,800 per month, and all age security at $900 per month. That means that your total income, family income, is $2,700, but you still have to have a mortgage payment of $1,250, leaving you with $1,450 per month to live on. So this is just a case scenario of a person who has a lot of equity, but unfortunately at retirement, because there's no income coming in except for the pension, the income is very limited. So what can we do about this? How we can transform this? I'm going to give you three ideas, three solutions, where we're just going to rearrange everything a little bit for you to have more income and you be able to have a better retirement financially for you and your spouse or your loved ones. So idea number one, you can talk, if you talk to a real estate agent, they can easily explain you this. I'm going to do it really quickly. You can basically sell your home. You can sell your home of 1.5 million and downsize to a condo, let's say for $750,000. If you pay off your small balance that you have on your mortgage, you're going to be left with $575,000 that you can put into a term deposit at your favorite bank or financial institution at 4%. It will give you a monthly income of $1,917 per month, and you add that to your CPP and your all age security, and you're good to go. What is the pro? You're converting equity into income, which is very good because right now you can enjoy your retirement better. What is the negative of this? The negative is that you may not want to sell your home. Why? Because you have lots of memories. We have in my home a wall with every year for 20 years we took a family picture, and then we can see how the parents are aging and the kids are growing, and I love to look at that wall every day. So if you downsize to a condo, that might be a little bit difficult. The second thing that you may not want to do is, you've been living in that property for all your life, you may not want to move to a condo. Some people don't like to live in strata properties. That's another conversation, things of that nature, but it's a trade-off. So we won't spend much time on this strategy. This is pretty straightforward. Numbers 1.5 million, you pay off 175 mortgage, you purchase a condo of 750, and you're left with 575 at 4%, 1,900 a month. Plus your CPP and all air security, you're collecting about $4,600 a month in retirement. Okay, let's look at the second idea, home equity pension. On this second idea, I'm not going to ask you to sell your home. You're going to stay in your home. So your home will still be worth 1.5 million, and we're going to convert your mortgage, which has a payment, into a mortgage with no payment. Okay, and on top of that, we're gonna draw about $2,000 a month to supplement your income, and we're gonna do that through a reverse mortgage. Oh, hold on a second. What is that? I don't like reverse mortgages. Reverse mortgages, I've been told that they're not good. I've been looking into the internet, and they say they're not good, that they take advantage of people, so on and so forth. Before we go into that conversation, in my opinion, a reverse mortgage is like a knife. You can use it to harm somebody, or you can use it to perform surgery and save the life of a person. The life is the same. A reverse mortgage, it's a tool. You can use it in the wrong way or in the right way. Here, I believe, and I'll show you why you're going to be using it in the right way. So again, let's go back to this example. You're going to be drawing $2,000 a month per year on your reverse mortgage. That means that every year you're getting into debt for $24,000 a year, plus the $175,000 that you have initially, and that will have zero payment. That's why if you add $2,000 a month plus your CPP and all age security, you're gonna be collecting $4,700 per month. But hold on a second, we're getting into debt at $24,000 a year. Yes, but at the same time, you have your home at 1.5 million, and let's say on average it appreciates at only 3% per year. If you multiply 1.5 million times 3%, that is $45,000 a year appreciation, because you've kept your $1.5 million home. Okay, you've seen how much your home has appreciated over the years. We're just continuing on that path. From the $45,000 a year, you're going to be spending $24,000 on an annual basis to supplement your income, so you're still up about $21,000 per year. I know this is very high level, and I hope you understand this, and I'm recording this as a video so you can play it several times to see if it makes sense for you. And if you want to run real numbers, feel free anytime to call my office, and we'll be happy to do these numbers for you. Okay, so this is idea number 2. We'll pay off the mortgage with a reverse mortgage, and we add to your income $2,000 a month, and that money is going to be paid by the appreciation of your home, so your equity gets preserved, and it may even increase in the future. Okay, idea number 3. These are ones I like as well. You can buy a condo to rent out. How does this work, Camilo? You keep your $1.5 million home, you keep it, okay? And now we're gonna get a reverse mortgage for $175, so we get rid of that payment, because reverse mortgages do not have payments, and we're gonna add $500,000 to that reverse mortgage, so the total reverse mortgage is $675,000. Okay? Whoa, I don't want all that debt. Listen to me. The debt that you're taking has a very positive objective. You're going to take that $500,000 and you're going to buy yourself a condo, and you're going to rent out that condo, not for you to live in, to rent out and provide housing to a nice family. Now you're going to get, if let's say the net income you receive from that condo, less the taxes and the strata, is $2,100, you get $2,100 plus the $1,800 of CPP plus the $900 of all age security, a total of $4,800 a month income to yourself. Okay? Yes, Camilo, but I'm gonna be in debt $675,000. On a reverse mortgage, let's say they charge you 6% per year. If you take your calculator and you multiply 675 times 6%, that is $40,500 a year. $40,500 a year that you're getting into debt. Oh, Camilo, I don't like that. I agree. But what you have to understand is that it's a balance. Why? Because now you have your $1.5 million property and you have your $500,000 condo. You have two properties now, and they're appreciating at 3%. If you multiply 2 million by a mere appreciation of 3%, that's $60,000 a year, which means that you are getting ahead $60,000 and you're using $45,000 for your retirement per year. So you're still ahead every year, and you have two properties appreciating, no payments, $4,800. I hope you understand the drill. Okay, so this is the option number 3. I don't want to take much of your time. My name is Camilo Rodriguez. I am a Colombian Canadian with over 20 years of experience in credit and mortgages. I was born and raised in Colombia. I finished my high school in Denison, Iowa in the US. I later studied 5 years of electrical engineering in Colombia, and I finished my studies in beautiful Toulouse, France. And I came to Canada 26 years ago. I started working for TD Canada Trust. I then worked for a brokerage, and I started my own brokerage in 2010. So it's been about 12, 13 years. We have over 40 advisors. We are licensed in Ontario, Alberta, and British Columbia. And I love what I do. I am the past president of the Canadian Mortgage Association of BC. And I love soccer. I love the Whitecaps. I love Real Madrid. I am a family person. I have 2 kids. They're both in university, and hopefully this makes sense. And if you want to run any numbers or ask me any sort of questions, contact me, send me a message or something. Follow the links below this video, and I'll be super happy to help you out. All the best. Camilo Rodriguez at Mortgages Lab. Take care.